Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will walk through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This task is essential for maintaining your vacuum's functionality. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. First, gather the following tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Begin by unplugging the vacuum to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust container by pressing the release button on the top. This will give you clear access to the trigger area. Locate the two screws at the back of the trigger. Using the small Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, these screws are small, so be cautious not to lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger away from the body of the vacuum. If it feels stuck, use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose without damaging the surrounding components. Now, examine the internal area for any debris or dust buildup. It's crucial to clean this space to ensure that your new trigger functions properly. Use the tweezers to remove any lint or dirt that may have accumulated. A clean environment will significantly enhance the performance of your vacuum. With the area cleaned, take your new trigger and position it where the old one was. Make sure it fits snugly before securing it in place. If you don't have the tools or prefer professional help, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Once the trigger is aligned, use the Phillips screwdriver to secure the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure they hold the trigger securely in place. After securing the trigger, reattach the dust container by clicking it back into position. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly in place. Finally, plug in your vacuum and test the new trigger. It should operate smoothly, allowing you to enjoy the full functionality of your Dyson SV12. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Regular maintenance like this will keep your appliance running efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.